Going to be a wool versus knotless braids battle, okay? So hi there, full of the interweb, welcome to my channel. My name is Okachi. If it's the channel, hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, productivity and entrepreneurship with a sprinkle. I really don't know what that sprinkle is, but let's just add it here with a sprinkle of everything else in between. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you love those kinds of content. And if it's the channel, welcome. So guys, I have brought it all on this internet concerning braids. And today, we're going to be comparing good old Kanekalon Knotless braids or good old braids with wool braids, guys. It's going to be a wool versus knotless braids battle, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Come out here. Let me just tell you, I have brought it all when it comes to braids on the internet. I have a complete playlist compiled for your enjoyment on various kinds of braids. See how to braid your hair with attachments, without attachments, first natural hair braids, DIY yarn braids, do it yourself, do it for somebody else, how to care for your hair with braids, how to grow your hair with braids. I have done it all on the internet, and we're going to be comparing these two today. Good old Kanekalon, this material, for those that don't know, it's called Kanekalon Knotless braids and yarn braids. So the yarn braids in this category is both Brazilian wool and baby wool yarn braids. So wool braids in quotes. Yes, so it's Kanekalon versus wool braids. Okay, there's going to be about 10 categories. Let me get my notes. 10 categories in all, guys. If you watched my baby wool braids or Brazilian wool braids, you already know that there are going to be a lot of categories. We're going to be going in bit by bit, section by section. Okay, so let us just do our regular battle announcements. The following contest is scheduled for one fall, weighing in at 200 pounds, all the way from Afikpo North, Ebonyi State. We have knotless braids in the blue corner. And the contender, weighing in at 300 pounds, all the way from Amebo Ugwegu, Afikpo, Ebonyi State. We have wool braids. This period, and you guys, stay hydrated. Guys, before we get into the whole breakdown, tell me your winner in the comment section. Which one do you think is better for you, like general? Is it like regular Kanekalon knotless braids or wool braids? Comment this emoji if you're for Kanekalon and comment this emoji if you're for wool. Tell me in the comments before we start the video, okay? I guess you're done commenting, so let us start. So the first category, guys, is looks. Looks. How does the hair make you look? Which look are you going for? So for the category of looks, for the regular yarn wool braids, we all know, I said it in my other video, that yarn or wool braids give you that rasta locked kind of vibe. And if you know me, you know that is my vibe. I love locks. I love locks. I love the lock look. The older my hair gets, the finer it looks in my eyes. The older, and if your hair is like 10 weeks old, it looks better at 10 weeks than at 10 days. I love when the hair looks old. I love it. I love the, I don't like saying rasta, but the rasta locks look. I really love it, okay? But these braids are giving me reserve. They're giving me, I just want to chill. I'm chilling with the big boys. I want to bamba. I want to chill with the big boys. That's what this hair is giving me. Like, it's just giving me some elegance with a relaxed vibe. Kanekalon wool will give you that I am rasta, but I'm elegant also. But this one is giving you reserved but elegant. Personally, I love the rasta look, but I don't mind it to look. So for that, they both get 1 point each. Okay, so the score is 1-1. The next one is cost to buy or cost to purchase. So this one, there's a clear winner. You already know the winner. Okay, so wool is quite cheap. You can spend 2,000 naira and get wool, like jumbo braids, wool braids down your butt with 2,000 naira to 3k. Yeah, no cap, 3k. But this, if I want to get this jumbo size down my back, I would need to spend like 4 or 5k to purchase the attachments. Okay, you need to purchase the attachment, and it's quite expensive. A pack of attachment retails for like, I think that's my budget. I've not bought attachments in a while though, but it will now be like almost like 2k at this point for just one pack. And you need like, for me, I'll need like 3 or 4 packs. That's like 6,000 to 8,000. I don't know. Tell me the cost of attachments in the comment section, okay? So for the category of cost to buy, wool has it, guys. Wool is cheaper, okay? Now, cost to make. Which one is cheaper to make? Is it wool or attachments, Kanekalon braids? For this category, yeah, I would also say that wool is cheaper to make. I haven't made wool in a salon in a very long time. But last time I made wool in a salon or by someone was in like 2015 or 2016, and it was like 1.5. But that was my friend, so I would not categorize that as something that is salon priced. Yeah, salon priced. But personally, I would say that wool is cheaper to make because many stylists, like even on like roadside shops, they just do and they will do wool effortlessly. Wool is cheap to make. Braids on the other hand, you can spend like, I think I spent like 10K getting this done. Yeah, so having this done was like 10,000 naira with the attachments, by the way. But if I'm getting wool, I'll spend like 5. I'll get the wool for like 2 or 3K now. They will pay like 2 or 3K to braid my hair. So you can see that wool is cheaper to make. So to buy and to make, wool has 2 points. That is 3 points. Kanekalon braids are still on 1 point. Okay. The next category, guys, is maintenance. Maintenance. Which one is easier to maintain? Is it wool braids or Kanekalon braids? Fun fact, they both have the same maintenance routine. The same care for your scalp, care for your hair, moisturize your hair. So for the category of maintenance, I feel like they both have 1 point. So that is 4 points for wool and 2 points for Kanekalon. The next category, guys, is reusability. So when I finish using wool, can I use the wool again? Or do I have to throw it away and buy another one? The truth is, this you can reuse both of them, but a stylist's nightmare is somebody coming with used attachments. Like any stylist nightmare, like stylists hate it. I hate it also. I don't do it. If you come and say, "Can you make my hair with used attachments?" I will not do it for you. I'll tell you, sorry, I can't make hair straight up. I don't like it at all. I don't mind reusing. I've reused wool 3 times in my hair now. How to use wool? I use it for myself twice. I use it for wool on my once. I'll just wash it and reuse it. So wool in general self, you can reuse it so many times before you like to finally throw it away. And it is cost effective because if I buy wool for 3K and I use it 3 times, that's 1,000 per usage. But if I buy attachment for like 4 or 5K and I use it once, that's 5,000 naira per usage. Are you guys getting it? So in that category, wool has won it. So I think it's 5-2. Yeah. Next category, guys, is which one is safer for hair, in quotes. For this one, we've all seen that they said that Kanekalon, some people's scalp reacts to this material. This is just like regular fiber. I've seen them make this before. I went to Darling in 2018. Yeah, I went to Darling when they were making this. So I've seen them make it before. It's fiber, but some people say they react to the material. So they actually have to go ahead and treat this before it's not on their scalp. So people react to this, but nobody reacts to wool, at least none that I know of. I know there are always exceptions to the rule, but there's no one that reacts to wool. But I know people that say that this makes their scalp itch them like crazy. So for the category of safe for hair, wool has it. So that is 6-2. So wool is winning, guys. We still have other categories. We still have like 5 categories to go. So Kanekalon still stands a chance of winning. So let's all just go. The next category, guys, is durability. Which one stands the test of time? Which one stands the test of time? I feel like this one is relative. Because I said the older hair wool gets, the finer wool gets. If your wool is 10 weeks old, it looks so beautiful in my eyes. But Kanekalon, on the other hand, your hair starts to pull from the sides. At least with wool, your hair, natural hair, let me use natural hair, has the texture of wool. If you see my hair when it's rough with wool, you will be like, well, your hair looks so beautiful. But if you see my hair rough with this, you're like, what is this girl carrying on her head? Can't listen that hair catching. So for personally, this is my own personal opinion, for durability, wool stands the test of time compared to Kanekalon braids. But if you get tight Kanekalon braids like this one, this does not budge. So I feel like it's a 50-50 thing if you ask me. So for that category, I think I'll give it to both of them. Kanekalon 3, I think it's wool like 6 or 7. I think I'll go with 6. Wool 6. Yes, wool 6. The next category is styling. Which one is easy to style? Is that a question? Is that a question? Is that really a question? This is definitely easy to style, guys. Wool is always bulky and big for me, but I can pull off a lot of styles with this one. This is more versatile if you ask me, in my humble opinion. You can see people getting married with braids. People do their weddings with braids. Like, it just goes. When they get married with braids, guy, that is like crazy. That's how versatile it is. You can even wear it for your wedding. Wool, on the other hand, does not give that kind of versatility if you ask me. No, it doesn't just cut it. So for that, wool gets 0 points. That is 6. I think it's 6-4 now. So it's 6-4, guys. 2 or 3 more categories to go. So Kanekalon can catch up in no time. Next category is weight. Are we really joking here? Remember that I said that the wool almost broke my neck. I said my neck, they pay me. Wool is heavy as shit, bro. Wool is so heavy. Like, wool is heavy compared to this. Guys, when I finish this hair, I have to like this. Shade they finish making the hair, my neck they joke with me. Waiting with this. This is so lightweight compared to baby wool or Brazilian wool. Those ones, if they should hold on to water like this, like sponge, they'll just absorb it, and that is it. The hair is heavy. So for the category of weights, Kanekalon, so it is 6-5, guys. 6-5, 1 more point, and they might just end up at 6-6. Okay, so the last category, guys, is Ease to loosen. Which one is easier to loosen? Is it this one or wool? For the category of loosening, let me just say straight up, ding ding ding. I would say that Brazilian wool and baby wool, or wool in general, is way easier to loosen, guys. This one you have to cut. You cut and even probably risk cutting your hair. When you now cut, you now start. It is so stressful to loosen this. I'm going to go to the salon for them to loosen this for me. I really can't deal. Like, I just can't deal. I really don't want to deal. No, I am not going to deal. But wool, I'll cut it at the tip here. Put my hand here and drag it, and the whole wool just loosen like this, like this. For the category of loosening, Brazilian wool has won. So the win for Brazilian wool gives it 7 points and Kanekalon braids 5 points. Guys, it was a very close match. In the comments, which one do you prefer? Personally, I think I'm a wool girl because I love saving money. I'm evil guy. I'm still supposed to be losing money. So I love wool, but I don't mind this. Like once in a while, like once every 2 or 3 years, I don't mind this. So like my look will just change now. She are not seeing the angles. She are not seeing the corners. She are not seeing the jawline. She are not seeing the edges. I better go. Please follow me on Instagram and Natural Catch. Follow me on TikTok, guys. At this point, you guys will not know, but I'm blowing up on TikTok. I've gained like 100 followers in like 1 day, 24 hours, because of these braids. So follow me on TikTok and Natural Catch. Just join my squad, guys. I'm just here for cruise and to have fun. It's never that deep, okay? Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Subscribe. You cannot watch free content and go. Press subscribe button, Igbo. Press the subscribe button there and speak in Igbo, okay? And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up in me, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like me to call her. She say she like up in me.